Hey Sai, how are you?
Yeah, yeah, I'm fine.
Fine, good to know. Good to know. All right, so we were doing the chapter perimeter and area, and we are almost about to finish this chapter. There are some questions left to be done from the exercise. Okay,
Yes.
so in the last class, we had this question that the house plan of Charan is given. That is the house
Yeah,
plan of Charan, and it is a rectangular plot. Upon
yeah,
looking at it, we notice that the length and breadth of the master bedroom is given, and area is also given here. Length and
yeah,
breadth of toilet is given right now, and here length and breadth of this utility room is not given, neither is the area. For kitchen,
yeah,
length and breadth is again given, area is also given. Okay, and for hall, we don't know what is the area of the hall. We also don't know what is the breadth of the small bedroom here. Right now, length into breadth is missing here. Same as for garden, area is also missing, length and breadth is also missing, and same for parking. Right now, so first question has been asked to us that some of the measurements are given. We need to find the missing measurements here, and we have to find out the area of his house, meaning that what is the area of this, what is the total area of this house. Okay, no, so I
yeah,
have basically taken a zoomed picture of the same area. Okay, now that is the same rectangular part. Okay. Okay, keep in mind that the shape is of rectangle. Okay, now this entire shape is a rectangular shape. Okay,
okay,
now
rectangle.
you see here the one of the side is given, like this is breadth. Breadth is
Yeah,
30 feet. Okay, now so I'm writing B for breadth here. Okay, now let's start from here, from this master bedroom. It is
yeah,
of a square shape, meaning both the side, all the sides are of 15 feet. So this
yeah,
is 15 feet. That is 15 feet. Okay. Now take a look at the toilet here. Okay. So the length and breadth is given as follows. Breadth is how much? 5
yeah,
feet.
yeah, 5 meter.
Because breadth is always less than the length usually, right?
Yeah,
All right. Now you look at the kitchen here. Okay. Because in utility, nothing is given. In kitchen, length and breadth is given, right? So the
yeah,
length is, this one is going to be the length, and this one is going to be breadth right now.
yeah,
So that is going to be breadth, that is 12 feet, and that one is equal to 15 feet. That one is equal to 15 feet, and this much is equal to how much? Breadth is 12
yeah,
feet.
5 feet.
Okay, now because length is always more than the breadth, so this means
Yeah,
this is 15 feet, and that is breadth as 12 feet. Okay, so if this
yeah,
much of length is 15 feet, this much of length should also be 15 now,
yeah,
isn't it?
yeah,
Able to understand that, no?
yeah.
So that is also 15 feet. Okay. So now you tell me, haven't we actually got the length of the house? That will be equal to 15 plus 5 feet
5
plus
plus,
15.
yeah, 5, 20, 35.
35 now. So thereby we
Yeah,
can say that this breadth, the length of the of the rectangular field is, rectangular house is 35
35.
feet. Okay. So now you can easily find the area of the house. Like for the question number B, we already found out the answer right now. So area of the
Yeah,
house is going to be length into breadth. Length is how much?
yeah,
35,
length is 35.
and breadth is,
Breadth is, what? Breadth is 30 meter.
that is
30.
30 feet. No, feet. It is in
Yeah,
feet.
50. Yeah.
So 35 into 30. Okay, that is going to be how much? Mm-hmm.
Uh, uh,
1000 and
1000 and
mm,
wait,
multiply it quickly.
03060. What? Okay.
1000 and mm-hmm. I'm waiting. I'm waiting.
1000 and
50.
600. Yeah, 50.
1050 actually, no? So thereby
Yeah,
it should be 35 into 3 is this 105 now. And so you put
yeah,
the zero here. So 1050 square feet. That will be square feet,
Okay.
or 1050 square feet. In this manner also it can be written. Okay, now
Yeah.
you need to find the missing measurements here. We need to find the missing measurements here. Okay.
Mm.
Now let's start from the utility room.
One
Or like
second, wait. I take my book.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. We can continue now. Okay.
Yeah.
You look at the utility room. Okay. We need to find the length and the breadth. Okay. Isn't length already given here? 15
Yeah.
feet, right?
15 feet.
This we
Yeah.
have this is given here for the kitchen. The length is 15 feet. So the length of the
Yeah.
room will also be just same. So length is 15 feet. Okay. Let me use a different color, blue one. So it is 15 feet. Green is better. 15 feet. Okay. Now the question is what will be the breadth? Right now, breadth is not given here. Meaning that what is the
Yeah.
measurement of this side, which is missing here? Okay. Now you tell me this, you look at this much of length. Just look at where
Yeah.
I'm pointing. So this much and this much. Will it not be same?
Yeah.
It looks same clearly now.
It's the same thing. Yeah.
Huh? And
Yeah.
this much is how much? 15 feet now.
15 feet.
So that is total 15 feet. Okay. So this total should also be 15.
Yeah.
And out of that, 12 feet is given here. Like this much is equal to
Uh,
12 feet. So the
yeah.
remaining will be 15 minus 12, that is
3 feet.
3 feet. Okay. So we found the length and the breadth of the utility room. So thereby the
Yeah.
area will be 15 into 3. That is
Yeah.
how
15
much?
into 3.
Huh?
Uh, 15 into 3.
Have you memorized the tables, Sai?
Yeah, 25.
25? No. 15 threes are 45. No.
Wait. Yeah,
15
yeah.
multiplied by 345.
Yeah,
Seems like
wait.
you have a.
15 into 15 into
Uh,
15.
okay,
Yeah,
it
got it.
looks. Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's move to this small bedroom over here. Okay, whose length is given and breadth is not given here. All right, now
Mm.
length is given but breadth is not given. Okay, but we see area is also given, right? So
Yeah.
for this small bedroom, like we know that area is equal to
Area.
length into breadth.
Yeah.
Area given here is 180, length given is 15, and breadth is not given here, right?
Divide area.
Uh-huh.
Divide.
Yeah, exactly. We will divide it now. So 180 will be divided by 5, 50 will be brought to the other side, so it comes into division, and hence we get 12.
Yeah.
Understood that now. So thereby the breadth is equal to 12 feet. Okay. Now what else is missing here? Sai?
Yeah.
Area of the hall is also missing, no? Right?
Yeah. Area for all.
Hmm.
Yeah.
And you see area of the garden and parking is also missing. Okay, we will get to this area of hall a bit later. Okay, let's do the easier ones first. Okay,
Yeah.
right. Okay, now you know that this entire side is given as 30 feet in the question now.
Yeah.
Okay, then this much is equal to 15,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
and this much is equal to 12 now,
Uh, yeah. 12.
because you see this is breadth and that is length, and breadth is less than length, and breadth is how much? 12. So
12.
15, this is 15, this is 12. So 15 plus 12 is 27. So this
Yeah.
must be equal to 30 minus 27, that is 3 feet now.
Yeah. 3 meter.
You actually getting all this now.
Yeah. It's directly 12 of its 3. I
Hmm.
I calculated that.
Hmm. Good. Now, once again, you look at the length of this garden here. You look at this much of length and now
Yeah.
compare it with this much of length here.
Yeah,
right?
15 meter.
Are they
Yeah.
same or not? This entire 15
Same.
feet plus 5 feet.
Same. Same.
Same, no?
Yeah.
So that will be 20 now.
Yeah, 20.
That's going to be 20. Very good. So thereby for garden also we have got it. So that's going to be 20 multiplied by 3. And area is going to be how much now?
220 is 60.
Hmm. That is 60. Very good. And we will write it as 60 square feet. Right? 60 square feet. Just like here, it will be 40 square feet. Okay. Now let's get to this parking area. Okay. Okay. The breadth of the parking area will also be same now. This is
Yeah,
3 feet. So this will
3
also be
feet.
three
And the
feet now.
length is also 15 feet.
Exactly. So that you got from here now, right? By
Yeah.
matching it with this. So that is 15. So 15 multiplied by 3 is equal to how much?
15 multiple by 3.
Huh? 45, right? 15 3
Yeah,
is a 45. So hence
that's
area is 45 square feet. All right now.
25.
Huh?
Yeah,
Okay. Now, in order to find the area of the hall, okay, what you may do here, what you can do here, from the total area of this rectangular plot, you may subtract all these areas which you have already found out.
yeah,
Understanding what I'm trying to say?
yeah.
Okay, now. So let us do that also. Sorry. Okay.
The the
Mhm.
breadth of a hall is 50 meter.
The breadth of the hall. Yeah, we can
50
take
feet.
that. But in order to do that, like you will have to divide this. What you can do here, you will have to do a small construction here. Okay, like that. we
Yeah,
have we have drawn some dotted lines, let's say. Okay, now for the hall, the length is going to be 20 feet.
and
This is going
15
to be
feet.
20 feet.
Yeah, and
And
15
breadth,
is
hmm,
for 15 feet.
15 for breadth you are saying?
Yeah,
No, 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 no. Look at the length of this side. Will it not be same as this?
yeah, 12 feet, 12 feet.
12, no? Right?
Yeah,
Okay, so that is, this was 20 feet, that is 12 feet. Okay.
yeah,
Okay, but wait, we have to take this area also, no? We
yeah.
need to take this area also. Okay, so how do we take that much of area? Okay, look over here. What we are seeing that this much of side is given here as 10 feet, right?
10 feet.
You see in the toilet area that is 10 feet.
Yeah,
Okay, while you are saying that this big this length here is equal to 15 now.
yeah,
So if this is equal to 15 and that much is equal to 10, so won't this
yeah,
much be equal to 5 here?
yeah, 5,
And that much is how
5,
much?
5.
This is equal
Yeah,
to
5.
5 now, right?
Yeah,
So thereby
and
5 into 5 area of this is going to be 25
10. Yeah, yeah, 5.
25 square feet. And for
Yeah,
this, it is going to be 12 into 20, that is 240 square feet.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
And since we see that the shape is actually like that, okay, now this is the entire area of the hall. So we need to add 25 and 240, understanding it now.
Yeah,
So 240 plus 25 square feet will be how much?
240, yeah.
Yeah, 240 plus 25. We need to add this and this now.
250, 55.
No, 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 add it properly. You are not adding it properly.
25, yeah.
240, you need to add 25 to it.
Yeah, it's 4, the 3 minus 2, 1, 1 plus 6, 6 into 3, 1, and 260, yeah.
265, no?
Yeah,
265, no? So thereby the area of the hall is 265 square feet.
yeah,
Hope you have understood this.
yeah.
Any questions from this?
No,
Okay. So in this manner, such kind of questions have to be done. Okay. We have some more questions which are of the similar nature, and we will try to do that also. Okay. Look over here. That is the map of the Sharon's home. Okay. Below is the plan given here. Again, like this master bedroom, a small bedroom, hall, etc. We need to find the missing measurements here, and we have to find out the area of his house. It's a similar type of question, simply with a different diagram. Okay, Nasai?
Yeah. Yeah.
This time you are going to answer it. Okay, Sai? Ha. So where should we start from?
Yeah.
Okay.
Small bedroom.
A small bedroom. Okay. From where
Yeah.
will we start? So what will be the area of the small bedroom?
10 to 100. 110.
No, Sai. 12 feet is the length and breadth is 10 feet. Area is going to be length multiplied by the breadth, no? Huh?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you have to multiply it properly, no? 12 multiplied by 10 is how much?
12 multiplied by 0, 0, 12. minus- Yeah.
That's
I
you.
also said this.
No, you said 110. It's 120.
Yeah. I say 120.
You said 120. Okay.
Yeah.
So that is 120 square feet. Good. Now let's move to another. By the way, there's one more thing which we can conclude from this now. Like we can find out the length of this side actually. You see,
Okay.
the length and breadth of the master bedroom is given, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Which one is the longer side? This is the longer side, no? So this is
Yeah.
going to be the
12.
length. No, no, no.
Yeah.
Length is always bigger. So that is 15, no?
Yeah. 15.
So this is equal to 15 feet. Okay.
And
Now
this
in
is,
this one, mhm,
this one is
this is
10.
15. That is 10 exactly, right? No, so that is 10. So we have just found out the length of this side, and that is equal to 10 plus 15, and hence it is 25 feet.
Yeah. 25.
That is equal to 25 feet. Okay. Now it become very easy to find the area of the house because
Yeah.
length is given 42, breadth is given 25. You will simply
Yeah.
multiply them and we can get that answer. Okay. Anyways, now what next are you going to do? What are you going to do next? Tell me.
Um, uh, master bed. Yeah. No. No.
Master bedroom already
Kitchen.
everything is given. Kitchen area.
Kitchen.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. That's also finished. Toilet.
Finish. But there's something which you can actually get to know from the kitchen area.
Yeah.
Getting it? See,
Yeah.
in the kitchen area, length and breadth is given. Okay, meaning that this much of side is given here. And how much is it? It is,
It,
this
yeah.
is
It's at 80 feet.
18 feet, correct. That is 18 feet, and that much is equal to 10 feet, right now?
Yeah.
Okay, good. That's good. Okay, we can write 18 one here also, we can write 10 here also. Okay, for convenience, for making it easy, we have written it every side. Okay. So we didn't got anything from it, but what we got to know about the length and the breadth. Okay, which side is how much. Okay.
Mm.
Now talking about
The
this
toilet.
master bedroom.
Yeah.
See here the length and breadth is given. This is the length that is 15, and breadth here is 12. So this much is equal to 12, right?
Yeah. 12.
Okay. That is 12, that is 18. Okay. If somehow we get to know about the length of this side and this side now, then the
Yeah.
things will become easier now. Understanding it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what we can do here.
The 15 to
Hmm. In the utility area, we are seeing that area is given as 70,
yeah.
right?
7.
Okay, and you see the length is given as 10.
Yeah.
This length is given here as 10 now,
Yeah.
right? Okay, so what could be the breadth now? If this is 10,
Yeah. It's divided.
we will divide 70 by 10. So we will get the
Yeah.
breadth as
With 70 by 10.
area equals to length multiplied by breadth. Area here is given as 70. Okay, length you have seen it is 10. So what will be breadth? You tell me.
10, 10, 7, 7. 7.
7. Very good. So that is 7. No? Okay, so
Yeah.
meaning that this much side is equal to 7 feet. Okay.
Yes.
So we have found out for utility. So far, you
Yeah.
have solved for small bedroom and you have also solved for the utility room. Very good, Sai.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. And
now,
my
now for
toilet.
toilet also you will be able to solve it. Just apply a little bit
Yeah.
of brain.
That's 10 feet.
That is 10 feet.
Yeah, 10 feet, 10 feet.
Are you sure? This is 10 feet. The length is
Yeah,
10 feet.
it's
But how much is
that
the breadth?
breath. I think,
Look
I
over here.
think,
Sai, listen. The
yeah,
length
3 feet.
of this 3 feet you are saying.
Yeah.
No, 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 no. Don't make any rough guess. Okay, now we have to calculate it now. We cannot make a guess. Hmm? See, the length of this big side that you are seeing, it is equal to 42.
Forty-two.
Okay. Now this much is equal to 12. Let me point it out actually. You
Wait.
see, this much is equal to 12. Okay. This much is equal to 18 feet. And this much is equal to 7 feet. Right? Won't you be able to find the length of this much?
37 means what is the 37, 38,
It'll.
9,
Mhm.
15, 40, 41, 5 centimeter, 5
Very feet,
yeah,
feet you
yeah,
should be saying. Very good.
yeah,
Right now, so from 42 feet, you subtracted 37 feet. Okay. So breadth is
yeah,
5 feet, length is 10 feet. So 10 into 5, area will be
area will 50,
50. And since it is area, so unit will be square. And
yeah,
it is a
square,
square feet. Okay.
yeah,
All right. What is left now? The hall is left now, and the entrance is also left. Okay.
yeah,
Now you see in this now, in the hall you are seeing that area length is already given here like 23 feet, right?
yeah,
Okay, like
yeah,
this is 18 and that is 5. Okay, so we are seeing that that much is already equal to 23 given over here. We need
yeah,
to find
correct,
what will be the breadth, right?
yeah,
Okay.
breadth.
Hmm. Again, you think about it like the take a look at this side here, this entire side.
The breadth is equal to 25 meter.
No, no, no. The breadth of the house is equal to
Yeah,
25
high,
feet.
house is equal to 25.
25. So this entire side is given as 25 feet.
Yeah,
Okay. And you
yeah,
know that uh
utility is what the length is what?
length of what you're saying.
Yeah,
I am seeing what I'm saying now. See, this
yeah,
entire breadth given is 25 feet. Okay.
yeah,
And this much height is also given. This much side is also given. Length of
yeah,
this side is same as 10 here. Right now.
yeah, 10,
So that
yeah,
is 10.
15 length.
Hmm. So we just need to find what is the length of this much. Right now. See,
Yeah, it's 10,
if
yeah,
this much is equal to 10 and the
that's
entire
50.
side is equal to 25, that's 15 now.
Yeah,
So this is 15 feet. This entire length is equal to 15 feet. Okay.
yeah.
So
It's
won't
also hard, also 15 feet.
for hall also it is 15 feet. Very good. Okay. So we have got the breadth as 15 feet. Now we need to multiply to find the area. Tell me what will be the area. Multiply 23 with 15.
23,
Uh-huh. Multiply it quickly.
okay. 5, 3, 50, 50, and 3, so this also 3 means 2, is 3, 2 minus 0 plus 2, wait,
Yeah, I'm waiting. I'm waiting, Sai.
I said it's column, okay, is it 50, so 50, 53, 2, minus 2, 2, 1. 122.
122.
Yeah.
No, Sai. That is strong. No. Sai, you need to work on your multiplication. Okay, Sai,
Okay.
you really need to improve this. Okay, and I'll be giving you some questions. We're going to practice on that. Okay, see, there's a short method for multiplication. Whenever you are multiplying it, now suppose we have this 15 and you're multiplying it with 23. Okay,
Okay.
think of the bigger number in terms of 20 and 3. 23 can be written as 20 and 3 now,
Yeah.
right? No issue. Next, what you are going to do? Next, what you are going to do is you're going to now multiply 15 with 20. So 15
Multiple
multiplied by 20 is how much?
15 multiplied by 20,
It's
300.
300.
Okay.
Then
Okay.
next you are going to multiply 15 with 3. So 15 threes are
Okay.
45
Yeah, 45.
and 300 plus 45 is equal to 345.
Okay.
Okay, that is also one of the method to multiply. Another method which you would have already learned about, so that is 5 threes are 15. So we write 5 here and we carry 1. Okay,
Yeah.
5 twos are 10. This 5, one second, 5 twos are 10. So 10 plus 1, we add this 1 to 10. So that is 11. So we write 11 here.
Oh, yeah, I put the question in 23, change in 33. There's a carry 1 on plus 2.
Okay. Next, we are going to leave an empty space here, right? Then
Yeah,
you multiply 23 with 1. So 1 threes are 3 and 1 twos are 2. So that
2.
is going to be 5.
5
It's written as
and
it is. 3 plus 1, 4. 2 plus 1, 3. So we are getting 3 and 45. Okay, now see. By now, you shouldn't be making mistakes in multiplication. Okay, now by now, these basic operations like multiplication, addition, subtraction, division, it should be fast. You should not be taking so much of time to answer and you should not be answering it incorrectly. Okay, Sai?
yeah,
Okay. This I am saying it so that you will work on it and you will improve it. Like I'll be giving you questions and I'll be helping you to improve that. Okay, now
yeah,
because these are the fundamentals of mathematics. If you're
yeah.
stuck in that, you even if you know the method, you won't be getting your answers correct. Okay.
Okay.
So that is going to be 300 and 1 second. 345 square feet. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, what is left now? This entrance.
Entrance. Yeah, 50 and 7 and 70 breadth.
7 is the
7,
breadth.
7, 7, 7.
Exactly, 7. Very good. So you're going to multiply 15 with 7.
Yeah.
15 multiplied by
So
7 is how much?
15 multiple by 7. I put
15
7.
sevens are 105. Okay, so that is 105 square feet. Okay, now so we have found out all the missing terms, right? For the toilet, we have found out for the small bedroom, for the hall, okay, length and breadth given here, for the utility room also, and for the entrance room also. All right,
Yeah.
okay. By the way, I have written it like that, but while you will be solving it on a paper, so there you will be writing down everything. Like for the small bedroom, 1 second, let me write it over here. While you'll be solving it, so you'll write down the question number, then you will be writing down from one side, you will write down for the small bedroom. Okay, length is equal to 12, breadth is equal to how much? 10.
Yeah.
Then you are going to write down the area is equal to 12 multiplied by 10, and hence that is 120 square feet. Okay.
Yeah.
After small bedroom, you're going to move towards the, let's say you move towards the utility. Okay. So for utility, you will write down that area is given as 70 square
Various.
feet.
Yeah.
Okay. Length is missing and breadth is also missing in it. Okay, na? Later on, you
Yeah.
calculated that the length is equal to 10,
Length is 10 meter.
10 feet, and
Yeah.
breadth you have found out to be 7 feet.
Yeah.
Right now, so thereby now you're going to multiply it. and you get it. So basically, you have to write down everything. Okay, not like that. Okay. And what about the area of the house?
What is your area of house? House is yeah, 345 square feet.
No,
345 square feet.
no, you're not getting it correctly. See, area of this entire house, it is saying. Find out the area of his
House, yeah.
house.
House, yeah, okay.
House, I'm saying, not the hall. So the length is given 42
Yeah, 42.
and breadth is, how much is
Breadth
the breadth?
is 25.
25, no? 25 here.
Yeah,
Okay. So now you're going to multiply them to find the area, right?
yeah,
So that's going to be 42 multiplied by 25. Okay, do one thing, multiply it right now. Multiply 42 with 25.
yeah,
Multiply it right now
yeah.
and tell me
I
the
tell,
answer.
yeah, time.
Okay.
20, 20, 21, okay. Yes, yes, 4, plus, yeah, 5, 4, 8, 9, 10. 1015.
Very good. That is 1050 square feet.
Yeah.
Well done. Okay. All right. Now we have got some area maze puzzles. So in each figure, we have to find the missing value of either the length of a side or the area of a region. Okay, now. So look at question number A. We need to find out like what is the missing area in that. All right. What is the missing area?
Yeah.
Okay. See. First of all, let's try to analyze this. Like if there's some pattern in it right now.
Mm,
See, the length of the area of this block is 13 square centimeter, and
yeah.
the area of just adjacent one is equal to 26 square centimeter, which is just
Yeah.
double of 13 square centimeter. Do you understand the pattern? The area
Yeah.
of the next region is just double the area of the first region.
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
So by multiplying 13 with 2, you're getting 26. So similarly here
Yeah.
you will also multiply 15 square centimeter with 2. You are just doubling it. Here
Yeah.
we are
Doubling.
doubling the area to get the area of adjacent shape.
Yeah.
So 15
30.
to a 30, no? So that is 30
Yeah.
square centimeter. Hope you have understood that pattern. Okay,
Yeah.
good. Now you look at the question number B here. Hmm? So in this, the area of this side is 10 square centimeter. That is 10 square
Mm,
centimeter. We need to find out like what will be the area of this square over here. Okay.
yeah.
Also, dimensions are also given here. See,
Yeah.
this is 2 centimeter. Okay. So if the breadth is 2 centimeter, area is 10. So what will be the length?
Length.
You can
That
make a guess here.
5.
5, no, because 2 fives are 10. So that is 5. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Now, if this much is equal to 5 centimeter, so this much is
Mm,
also equal to 5 centimeter, and this one is much is 3 centimeter. So this much
yeah.
will be how much?
This much. What? This much will be 3 into the.
That is equal to that much is equal to 5 centimeter.
Yeah.
Okay.
I this much. 10
I'm,
square feet centimeter. Yeah.
I'm asking you what will be the length of the green part here.
Yeah. Yep. 65.
5 minus 3, 2 no. Sai,
Yeah.
listen carefully. This entire side is of measurement 5 centimeter. Okay. This much is 3 centimeter. So this much
Yeah.
it must be 2 centimeter only, no? That's why 3 plus 2 will together make 5 centimeter. So that
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
2, no?
Yeah. 2.
Okay. Okay. So that is 2. Okay, and what further what we are seeing here, this much is also equal to 2 centimeter given here, right?
Yeah,
And what about this much?
5 centimeter.
This much or this much must be equal to 5 centimeter now.
Yeah,
So that much is equal to 5. I'm going to write it over here, 5 centimeter. Okay. Now listen carefully. This total side, this entire length is equal to 5, and this much is equal to 2 centimeter. So what
yeah,
must be the length of this side here, the one in orange color? Tell me.
yeah. This 10 centimeters. It's also 5 centimeters.
Listen again. I am saying that the length of this side, as you have said me, it is going to be 5 centimeter. Why? Because 5 multiplied by 2 here. 1 second. What happened to this? 5 centimeter multiplied by 2 centimeter is equal to 10 square centimeter now.
Yeah, I say the 5 centimeter.
Uh-huh. This total side is 5 centimeter and this much is equal to 2 centimeter. So I'm
Yeah,
asking you what will be the length of this side? Won't it be 5 centimeter minus 2 centimeter?
yeah. It's 3 centimeter.
3
Yeah,
centimeter, no?
it's square.
So that is 3 centimeter. Okay. So we have just found out the length of this side also. And length of this
Yeah,
side is also given, right? So
yeah.
square centimeter, we need to find the area.
36.
So the area of this shape is going to be length into another length, because
Yeah,
this
yeah.
is
Side
this is
into side.
clearly a side into side,
Yeah,
because this is
6.
clearly a square.
Yeah,
It's not going to be 6, but 3 multiplied by 3, that is going to be 9
6.
square
Yeah, yeah,
centimeter.
yeah.
No, you're multiplying it. You are not supposed to add it. Okay.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Hmm. So hope you have understood something from it. Okay.
Yeah,
Now, okay, let's take a look at question number C. Give it a try. Try to solve it.
yeah.
Uh,
Okay. Um, diagrams will be 15 centimeter. This per will be 5. This 5 centimeter. Um, okay. 15. Okay.
okay, let's solve it together then. Yeah. Okay. What did you guess? Did you found out anything so far?
Yeah, this is 15 centimeter means what? See,
Mhm.
this is 15 square root.
Okay, Sai, let's start from this side. Okay, let's start from here. Okay, see, area is given as 60 square centimeter. Okay,
Yeah,
further, the length and breadth of this is not given yet.
yeah.
All right, it
I
is not given yet.
I just also struggle.
Mhm. It is a rectangle also. Good. Now I want to look at the following things. See, if you were to take a look at this square here, now area is
Yeah,
given and the breadth is given here. Breadth is 6 centimeter, right? And the area
yeah,
is 42. So breadth will be 42 divided by 6, and sorry, I'm just saying length will be 42 divided by the breadth. 42
yeah,
divided by 6 is equal to 7, right now?
yeah,
Okay, it means that this much is equal to 7 centimeter, right? And you
yeah.
see, this much is also given as 5 centimeter here,
I
right?
yes, yeah,
So this entire side is going to be 7 plus 5, hence going to be 12 centimeter. Yes or no?
yeah, yeah. 12 centimeter.
This entire side is 12. Okay. And the area
Yeah,
is 60 square
12 divided
centimeter.
by 16.
60 divided by 12. Okay,
Yeah,
no? So that's going to be 5, no? So this
wait.
means that
I
this side is equal to 5 centimeter.
yeah 5 centimeter.
Okay, or basically this side is also same as 5 centimeter.
Yeah,
So
it's also
this, yeah. So this side is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay. And here, like this side is given as 6 centimeter, meaning that this is also same as 6 centimeter, right? That is also same as 6 centimeter. Okay. So if this is 5 and that is 6, what about this side?
6 is just 5. 6 means 5 plus 6.
6 plus 5, 11. Now this entire side.
Level or 9. For 4. Six,
Mhm.
3.
3 you're saying? No, no.
Yeah.
What I'm saying you, look over here. The entire length of this side is equal to 15 centimeter, right?
Yeah.
This entire side. And this much is equal to 6 plus
Yeah.
5, 11. So
Yeah,
what?
11. I say this side is. What
Yeah.
is a square?
So
Pink color.
15 minus 11 here. 15 minus 11, that will be 4, no? So it means
Yeah.
that the length of this much is equal to 4 centimeter.
Yeah.
Understood that now?
Yeah.
That is 4 centimeter. Okay. Now look over here. We need to find the length of this side also, right? We don't know it yet. Okay.
Yeah.
We can found that one also very easily. If you were to look at this side here, okay, look where I'm pointing, and you look at this side, they are same now, 7 centimeter
Yeah.
and 7 centimeter. Okay. Now it is mentioned that this much is equal to 3 centimeter. It is mentioned here that this much is equal to 3 centimeter. While
Yeah.
we clearly know that this much is equal to 7 centimeter.
Yeah. 7 centimeter.
So to find
Yeah.
out the
5 centimeter.
not 5 centimeter, no. I am saying
Yeah.
that
4. 4.
4, no, 7 minus 3, that
Yeah.
is 4. So we know the length of this shape. Okay, na? Two of
Yeah.
the lengths are given as 4 and 4. So this is clearly a square, and area of a
Yeah.
square is
Area of a square is 460. 16.
exactly 4 into 4. That is 16 square centimeter.
Yeah.
Okay, you see, these questions are really interesting actually, right
Yeah.
now? Okay, okay. Will you give it a try? Try to solve this one.
Okay. I try to solve
What
this.
is missing in this?
Yeah.
Area is
Same.
given,
Yeah. Areas given.
breadth
But
is missing.
yeah. Breadth. See, length.
Not length, but breadth is actually missing.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. I
I'll
try.
be giving you 1 or 2 minutes to solve it. Try. Give it a try.
Yeah. 4 centimeter. The 5 centimeter. And 5 centimeter. The 18 square feet and the length 5
Hmm.
means
Yeah, in this one, if you were to see, like it is
they
18
are
square
divided.
centimeter. Yeah, we're
Yeah,
going to divide it to find this much. Very good. Divide it. 18 divided by 5. That's going to come in decimal actually.
yeah, decimal.
Hmm.
18 square feet. Five, um, these are 15. Yeah, 15, 0, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 0.3, 3.3 like that.
You're going to get 3.6 now. 5 threes are 15. 18 minus 15 is 3 here. Okay, we
Yeah,
will put a decimal point here to bring 1 0 here. Now 5 6 are 30. So this much is equal to that much is equal to 3.6.
yeah,
Okay.
3.6
Okay,
here.
so this entire side is going to be 4 plus 3.6, right now? So hence that is
Yeah,
going to be 7.6. 4 plus 3.6 is 7.6.
yeah,
Okay, now we are going to divide the area with the length to find this breadth. Understanding it?
yeah,
So 38
yeah, divide.
divided by 7.6. Okay, so
Okay.
let's divide that. You know how to divide a whole number with a decimal number?
Yeah, I first reserve decimal point
Hmm? Good.
and
38 decimal point will be removed, so that will be 76 upon 10.
yeah, then
Okay.
wait,
Hmm. Next, it is going to be done in the following manner. Look over here. This can be written as 38. upon 1 divided by 76 upon 10. Okay. And the
Yeah.
rule of division between two fractions is that you are going to change the sign of division to multiplication, and the second fraction becomes reciprocal. Okay, meaning the value in the denominator goes in numerator and the value in the numerator comes in the denominator. It's like that.
Yeah.
Now it's going to be 380 divided by 76. After division, you will be getting an answer of 5. So thereby,
Yeah.
the breadth is going to be 5 centimeter. Okay, Sai. Hope you understood
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we are going to do some questions from the NCERT also. Okay. Look at the first question. It says that give the dimensions of a rectangle whose area is the sum of the areas of these two rectangles having measurements 5 meter into 2 meter and 2 meter into 7 meter. Okay.
Okay.
So we need to find the sum of the area of the two rectangles here. Starting it. Question is asking the dimensions of the two rectangles there are as follows. Okay now. So we need to find
Yeah.
the sum of the area of these two rectangles. So
Okay.
that is simply going to be what? Sum of
The
areas of two rectangles. So that is clearly going to be area of rectangle 1 plus area of rectangle 2. Right? Area of
yeah.
rectangle 2.
Yeah. First multiply that. Yeah.
Yeah. We're going to multiply the areas. I mean to say
5
it's
times
going to be
50.
5 into 10.
The 50.
Correct?
Yeah, and 40 second.
And hence that is 64
Yeah, 64.
square meter. Right now, I have done
Yeah.
it directly here. Right? Added them together like that. But it was a simple question. Now, question number 2 says that the area of the rectangular garden that is 50-meter long. This is a
Yeah.
rectangular garden. Length is 50-meter and area is
Mm.
given. We need to find width. So you can easily find it now. You will divide it. You know that.
Yeah, divide out.
Okay,
Yeah.
now because width here will be equal to area divided by the length. Area is given here, right? And length
Yeah.
is also given. You'll be doing that as assignment. Okay. Look at
Yeah,
the. Uh-huh.
I have one doubt. The 15, 15 into 15 to 2 is equal to 100. Yeah.
Please repeat that again.
Yeah, 15 into 2 is equal to 100.
15 into 2.
Yeah.
That is 30 now.
Fif- 15, 50, 50. Yeah.
Yeah, 50 into 2. That is 100. Yeah.
Yeah, 100.
Yeah,
Okay.
obviously. Yeah. Okay. See, basically for this, you are going to put the value here 1000 divided by 50. Okay, now. So you are going to
Okay.
take it as 50 multiplied by 20 is equal to be 1000. This is how you're going to carry it out. One second. Okay. 52s are 100.
Fif- Yeah,
Oh,
100.
okay. This 0 will be written over here. So 50 zeros are 0 and hence
Yeah.
nothing left here. That's
Yeah.
20. So in that manner, it had to be done. Okay.
Yeah.
Question number third says the floor of a room is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. There's a floor whose
Mm.
length and breadth is given as 5 meter and 4 meter. That is length
Okay.
and that is breadth. Further, the question says that sorry, a carpet whose sides are 3 meter by 3 meter
Yeah.
in the length is laid on the floor. We need to find like this is 3 meter and that is also 3 meter. Basically, it's a square carpet. So we need to find the
Okay.
area of the room, area of the floor that is not carpeted. Like we need to find out
Yeah,
the. Uh-huh.
side into side.
One second. First, let's understand what we need to do here. Okay. Basically, what we are going to do, question has said that the length and breadth of the room is given. Length is
Yeah.
length is 5 meter, breadth is 4 meter. Then
Yeah.
the length of the carpet is also given. That is 3 meter. Like it's a square
Mm.
carpet here. So you can clearly see that some of the space is left empty here now. Carpet is
Yeah.
not spread on the entire floor. So how much of the area of the floor is uncarpeted, meaning it is not carpeted? So
Uncarpeted. Okay.
area of floor not
Is
carpeted, it will be
how much?
that is what we need to find. So floor area
L
minus
into B.
carpet area. If suppose you were to subtract the carpet area of the carpet from the floor area, then you will get to know this area now, the one I have marked in pink color with the pink lining, getting it?
Yeah, 9.
Okay, so
Yeah,
thereby what?
carpet area 9. Carpet
Exactly.
area 10.
So floor
And the
area is going
floor
to be
area
5 into 4, and carpet area is going to be
5
3 into
into
3
yeah 20, yeah 20, yeah
minus
20 plus 9 is 29.
minus
See
9. Now
minus,
why will
yeah,
be subtract? You're subtracting it, no? So
yeah,
that is going to be 11
yeah,
square meter,
11,
right now?
yeah.
Getting it? That is 3 5 4 is 20. Yeah,
Okay.
11 square meter will be the right answer for it. Okay, hope you have understood that. Okay, so area of
Yeah.
the room that is not carpeted is equal to area of that room minus area of carpet. By the way, how many carpets were there in it? A square
Oh,
carpet. Oh,
what?
only one carpet was there. No, I saw like two carpets were there. Only one carpet was there. Okay. Now, similarly,
Yeah.
look at question number 4. In question number 4, flower beds having sides 2 meter long and 1 meter of width have been are dug on the four corners of a garden that is 15-meter long and 12-meter wide. How much area is now available for
Yeah.
laying down a lawn? Take a look at this structure. Look at this diagram here, right? So
Yeah.
length and breadth of the garden is given. Okay. On the four corners, flower beds have been dug out whose length and breadth is also given. And this much of
Yeah.
area is now left empty for lawn. So we need to find out like how much of area is left empty for the lawn. So to do that, what we are going to do, area
Yeah.
for
Area
lawn here will be equal to area of garden.
plus
Area
floor
of,
bits.
no, we're going to subtract now. We're going to take out all the area of the flower bed from this. Then that will
Okay.
tell us how much of area is left for the lawn now. So area of
Okay.
garden, but there how many flower beds? Four
Fl-
flower beds now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Understanding it now.
Yeah.
So area of garden minus area of four flower beds. Okay. So area of the garden, the length and breadth is 15 meter by 12, right?
Yeah.
15 by 12 square meter. Okay. Area of four flower beds. How about, since we are seeing that all the flower beds are of the same area, so how about you just find out the area of one flower bed and you multiply it by 4? That
What?
is going to, I'm saying that since all these flower beds are of the same area, you see, that is 2 meter by
Yeah.
1 meter. That is also 2 meter by 1 meter, 2 meter by 1 meter, 2 meter by 1 meter. So you don't need to find out the area of each of the flower beds separately. You just
Yeah.
find the area of one of the flower bed, that is 2 into 1, and you
Yeah. Two
multiply
into
it by
one
4
is
now.
okay.
Understanding that or not getting it, huh, Sai?
Yeah. I'm the sick.
Getting it. I am saying that just find the area of one flower bed, that is 2 into 1.
Yeah. I understand.
Understand. Very good. So 15 into 12, 180 square meter, right?
Yeah.
Minus 4 into 2 into 1, that is 8. Okay, so
Yeah.
180 square meter minus 8 square meter, that is 172 square meter is the area left for the lawn. Okay, now so this area in the green is equal to
Yeah.
172 square meter.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah.
Okay,
Clear.
good. So like that, some more questions are there. Okay, some of them will be given to you to try and solve as assignment, while some of them which are left will be doing in the class. Okay, and
Okay.
in next class, most likely we'll be starting a new chapter after discussing your assignments. Okay,
Okay.
so please tell me what chapter would you like to start next? Like several chapters have been done in your school too. So prior to this, we did the chapter data handling and presentation. We completed that, and
Yes,
now
and
we have almost completed this chapter perimeter and area.
yeah,
Hmm.
and the next chapter will be
What about
um,
fraction?
fraction. Yeah.
Fraction. Okay, so we'll
Yeah.
be starting fraction after that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Make sure you practice some questions at home. Okay, Sai. There are
Okay.
some areas where you are weak, and with practice, you will improve. Okay, now you need to improve your multiplication, addition, subtraction. Also,